audience, Assalamu alaikum. This is 𝗙𝗵𝗋𝗶. I am very glad to be here in this pleasant evening. Actually, it is a great pleasure for me to say something before you. But I am not a good speaker. Anyway, I will try my level best to deliver a short speech on today's topic. And today's topic is line graph. The given line graph provides about information on the amount of cultivated land from 1950 to 1996. In generally, the amount of cultivated land was increased from 1952 to 1980, which was decreased from 1980 to 1996. It is seen from the line graph. The amount of cultivated land about 600 million hectares in 1950 in the whole world. Which was increased in 1956 for the USSR Virgin Lands programs in the whole world. Total 650 million hectares in 1956 cultivated. After that, the amount of cultivated land fluctuated for next 6 years. Then the amount of cultivated land was increased with fluctuation from 1962 to 1972. Then the amount of cultivated land was increased 1972 to 1976. After that, the amount of cultivated land was decreased in 1978 and again increased in 1980. The highest amount land was cultivated in 1980 in the whole world, which amount was 750 million hectares. Then the amount of cultivated land was decreased from 1980 to 1996 for retracement slowly. That's all for the time being. Truly speaking, brother and sister, this was a nice moment with you. Allah Hafiz.